好，咁我哋事不宜遲，我哋就去到6.4啦。咁6.4同埋6.6嘅部分咧，咁其實我都交俾你哋自己做嘅，因為其實呢個部分我哋都go through 咗啦，喺堂上面。咁但係就即係真係冇乜點做練習。咁呢個部分大家就要努力啲去做翻練習啦。咁我講呢一個部分之前咧，大家都可能即係先自己做一做先啦。咁做完之後就再繼續睇呢條片啦。咁我先 pause 咗呢條片，咁做咗呢一度先。咁如果你話你又唔明嘅，你可以去翻嗰一條啦。咁就係去睇翻究竟點解會係咁樣啦。好，咁mole substance 啦，咁佢應該係會當佢哋凍咗喎，咁即係佢哋應該會收縮啦。咁所以佢哋會 contract，我哋就會話。咁如果加熱嘅，佢哋就會點啊？膨脹，我哋就話 expand 啦。咁所以我哋就可以見得到 most substance contract when they are cold or when they are cooled and expand, okay, when they are heated, okay? when the temperature of a substance increase, so therefore the particles it will move faster 啦。嗱，因為咧佢個溫度高咗，咁所以佢哋嘅 kinetic energy 咧都會震動得勁啲啦，即係快啲啦。So the OK，有啲嘢會 turns an electric iron on or off when it reach a certain temperature。咁好明顯就係嗰個thermostat 啦。就係當根據嗰一個嘅溫度去調節啦。咁當佢過咗一定嘅溫度嘅時候咧，咁佢就會斷咗個 circuit 啦。而除此之外啦，我哋亦都有另一樣嘢咧會去 bend 嘅，當佢加熱嘅時候，咁嗰個就係咧 bimetallic strip 啦。咁就兩塊金屬，舉個例子，嗱，你有兩塊金屬啦，有一塊金屬咧，佢 expand 得多啲，咁變相咧佢就推咗咧嗰個 expand 得少啲嘅嗰個金屬咧，就會向上啦。OK，咁如果調翻轉啦，上面呢一個咧係會可以 expand 得多啲嘅話咧，咁佢就會推個金屬咧，就係即係個 bimetallic strip 咧，就向下啦。OK，好，我哋繼續睇啦。The speed of particles in a substance depends on its temperature。of course 啦，因為你溫度越高，咁你嗰個 speed of vibration 啦，of 嗰個 particles 咧就會快啲啦。OK，咁但係或者勁啲啦。如果例如話咧，可能佢低啲嘅溫度嘅話咧，咁佢嗰個 speed 咧就會慢啲啦。好，跟住之後我哋繼續再睇啦。When a substance is heated，its particles will become larger。咁記住啦，唔係個 particles 變大，而係佢哋嗰個 gap between，即係嗰個 empty space between 個 particles 咧係變大嘅。OK，嚟呢度幫我 mark 翻低啦。當你係做翻個 reference 啦，當自己可能温書嘅時候，咁記住就唔係嗰個咧particles 係嗰個 space。OK。個 empty space between particles 咧就 become larger 啦。OK，我哋繼續啦。Thermal contraction is a decrease in a material's volume when its temperature increase。OK，當個即係熱脹sorry 冷縮啦，就係咧講緊咧，當個溫度增加嘅時候咧，個 material 嘅 volume 咧就會 decrease 啦，係咪咧？咁其實咧就並不是嘅，應該係點樣啦？應該係當我哋個溫度咧減少嘅時候，OK，我哋咧先至會出現呢個 thermal contraction 嘅，就係啲乜嘢啊？就係個 decrease in material volume 啦。好，我哋繼續再落。When the temperature decrease, the particles will move slower and become closer together。咁呢個亦都係true 啦。即係當溫度係低咗嘅時候，咁佢哋 vibrate 得冇咁勁啦，咁佢哋反而咧就會係 close 啲 packed 啊，或者可能佢哋係相對而言咧接近，即係嗰個 space 因為細咗嘛，咁所以 A 嘅 particle 同 B 嘅 particles 咧就相對而言咧就會黐埋，即係近啲啦。好，in general, gases expand more than the liquid, and the liquid expand more than the solid。呢一個咧就會係答案係正確嘅，因為咧我哋知道 gas 咧佢有多啲嘅 empty space，咁變相我哋再加多啲嘅溫度嘅話，就會令到佢再 vibrate 得勁啲，咁佢可能會彈到周圍都係，即係再彈得遠啲啦。好，跟住我哋繼續啦。 Okay, liquid in glass thermometer and dental filling material are the application of thermal expansion and contraction。咁呢個 true 啦，呢個可以 refer 翻 textbook。咁跟住 all thermostat contained bimetallic strip，咁啊呢一個係 false 嘅。咁唔係所有嘅 thermostat 咧都會用 bimetallic strip 嘅。咁其實我哋都會有其他嘅一啲裝置咧，都係咧會做得到好似 thermostat 咁樣，就唔一定係 bimetallic strip 嘅。OK？好，咁跟住我哋繼續再落啦，去 MC 啦。咁我哋就會見得到咧，原本 OK，我哋有一個環啦，亦都有一個 metal ball 啦。咁咧，當我哋加咗熱嘅時候咧，其實咧佢就唔能夠穿越呢個環嘅。咁有啲乜嘢嘅即係 statement 咧，其實係話緊呢一樣嘢咧。咁其實正正咧就係、我哋就會講話係個 B 啦，就係因為咧即係 B 嘅 statement 啦，就因為咧個 space between particle of 個 metal ball 咧 become larger 啦，佢嗰個空間大咗，所以變相咧成個嘢都會咧 thermal expand 咗啦，咁就會係熱脹咗啦。OK，咁所以喺呢個情況之下咧，答案就會係 B 啦。The liquid in glass thermometer lowers when it is placed in the cold water。咁當我擺咗嗰個 liquid in glass 嘅 thermometer 啦，擺喺一個凍嘅水嘅情況之下咧，咁嗰啲 liquid 咧就會相對而言咧就會係低咗啦。點解啊？因為咧佢 lost 咗一啲咩啊？energy 啦，咁佢由於佢 lost 咗 energy，咁所以變相佢會點樣啦？少咗能量，佢 vibrate 得少咗，咁佢啲嘢點樣啦？就會收細啦，咁所以收細即係代表緊佢係 thermal contraction 啦，咁所以答案就會係 A 啦。Which of the following statement is correct when a bimetallic strip is heated？一個咧 metal strip 咧 expand 話另一個 contract，咁就唔係啦，因為佢同時間加熱啊嘛，咁所以咧佢哋嘅 expand 咧係 in different amount 啦。OK，所以答案就係 B 啦。佢兩個都會 expand 嘅，但係一個 expand 得多啲，另一個 expand 得少啲，咁從而咧就令到個 bimetallic strip 咧就彎咗啦。OK，好，我哋繼續再落啦。好，when the temperature of a substance increase, so its particles will increase in temperature, meaning that it will 即係佢增加咗溫度喎，咁即係代表緊啲 particles 係攞咗啲能量咧，定係冇攞到能量啦？就會攞咗啲能量，gain energy 啦，and then 點樣啦？move faster 或者 move apart further 啦。So these cause the space between the particles to become larger 啦，大咗啦。OK，個空間個 gap between 個 particle 咧，或者個 empty space between 個 particles 咧就會大咗啦。As a result, the substance will expand 會放大倍大啦，OK，增加咗啦。So when the temperature of a substance decrease, so in this case, its particles will lose the energy and move closer or move slowly. So these cause the space between the particles to become smaller in size. So as a result, the substance will contract. OK，收縮啦。So now describe how the power cable change when it become cold。佢凍咗喎，啲 power cable 會點樣啦？佢哋會收縮啦。咁所以我哋就會話咧個 cable 咧個長度就會短啲啦。OK，so when the temperature of the power cable decrease，咁喺呢個情況之下會點樣啦？由於佢個 temperature of 個 power cable decrease，咁所以佢個 particle 就會損失咗能量啦。Lose energy and move slower. Okay, so these cause the space between the particles 咧就會細咗啦。As a result, the power cable will contract and become shorter. State what would be the safety precaution should be taken when the power cable are installed between the overhead power tower。咁我哋有啲乜嘢我哋要做啊？我哋可唔可以舉個例子？呢度係5cm 嘅，我哋就用5cm啊？就唔得啦。點解？因為當佢收縮嘅時候，咁咪兩邊都扯住嘅話，即係嗰個即係個 power cable 扯住兩邊嘅，咁就有機會令到咧個電線點樣啦，就有機會斷啦。咁所以我哋點樣？我哋一定要預留長啲啦。我哋 rather than 可能5cm 嘅，即係呢個 gap 5cm 嘅，我哋就放5cm 嘅 power cable，我哋就唔應該咁樣做啦。我哋應該轉點樣做啊？我哋可能咧就係6cm 甚至7cm啦。咁到時候當佢收縮嘅時候咧，都仍然咧係即係唔會少於5cm啦。OK，so therefore we will say that the power cable should be kept slacked。咩叫 slack 啊？就係簡單嚟講咧， 佢係彎啊，OK，即係或者長啲啦，我哋會話 slack，OK，to allow for the contraction in winter，OK。State another problem that caused by the thermal expansion and also contraction and describe how the problem is solved. For example, the rolls, okay, they may crack, okay, 佢哋會破碎或者碎裂啦，when they expand in during the hot weather and contract in the cold weather. Or the gap, okay, will be left on the road and allow the expansion or contraction of the road. 咁啊，呢一個咧就係即係 chapter 4.4，sorry 6.4嘅嗰個大致上嘅 debriefing 啦。咁如果仲有其他問題都可以喺翻個 Google Classroom 再問翻我嘅。